Hi, my name is Beth Dixon. I am from Charlotte, North Carolina, and I am a recent graduate of Wake Forest University's Project Management program. I graduated from University of North Carolina at Greensboro in 2021, and I studied business administration with a concentration in marketing. And I really liked that program. I really wanted to get into marketing right out of school, but I ended up working in financial services, which is completely different. And I enjoyed my time at Vanguard, but when I decided that, hey, I really want to go back to school, I was looking for a program that offered like a variety of courses. I was looking for a program where I could learn something new and kind of focus on a specific skill set. The program is very flexible, and since I did live in the Charlotte area, I could come up to the Wake Forest Charlotte Center and study and ask people questions and be in the building. I enjoyed, I would say, the intimacy of the program. I was able to, at any time, meet with my professors, ask questions, get to see them face to face and say, hey, here's what I'm struggling with. How can I improve this? Or, hey, I did really well in this first section. This second section, I'm really struggling. How can I make this better and make sure that I understand this for the next one? My favorite professor was Professor Wayne Brantley. He was an Air Force vet. My dad is also an Air Force vet, so we kind of connected on that. And he made sure that we knew who he was before class even started. Like, that first introduction to class was just like, who are you guys? Getting to know you, let's break the ice and really build a relationship. So I really enjoyed the professors here.